Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is about how much and how many. So where we will be using how much and in which scenarios we will be using how many. In this video you will be getting to know about it. So here are some examples as well I have given to you. But first of all, understand where we will be using how much in which sentences and we will be using how many. So in how much we will be using whenever the things are uncountable. Whenever you cannot count anything, there will be using this uncountable words, that is how much. And the scenarios where the things can be countable, like we can count anything, there we will be using how many. So here are some examples for you. The first one is dash blank water do you drink every day. The first is water, so you cannot count water, that is this is uncountable. So here you will be writing how much water do you drink every day. The next is blank students are in your class. So students, you can count students. This is countable. So you will write over here how many students. The next is blank money do you have. So money is uncountable. So over here you will be writing how much money do you have. So the next is blank pens do you have. The pens is countable, so you will be writing over here how many pens do you have. Blank days are in a week. Again, the days you can count easily, so you will be writing over here how many days are in a week. The next is blank time is left. So the time you cannot count, so you can write over here how much time is left. Last is blank rice do you need. So find out by this one and tell me the answer in the comments. Thank you.